Good morning. Let us see what we learn in the chapter Arithmetic Progression. In this arithmetic progression, in 3.1, we decided whether that given sequence is an AP or not. For that, we learn examples like this. Okay. Now, then only we will call this sequence as an AP if the difference between the consecutive terms will remain constant. For that, we took the difference like T2 minus T1. Okay. So that T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 6. This one is your T2 now. Minus 10. Okay. So that T2 minus T1 means difference between the consecutive terms. That came as minus 6 plus 10. Why plus 10? Because when there is minus sign outside the bracket, that time we have to change the sign of the number which is in bracket. So I change minus 10 to plus 10. So now minus 6 plus 10, that answer will come as 4. So T2 minus T1 came as 4. If we are taking difference, that means T3 minus T2, that will also come as 4. Okay. So in this way, for all this sequence, if that difference between consecutive terms remains constant, then we are calling that sequence as an AP. So in 3.1, we learn that then only we will call the sequence as an AP if the difference between consecutive terms is constant, it remains constant. Okay, means T2 minus T1 must be equal to T3 minus T1 likewise. Okay. After that, in 3.2, this one we learn in 3.1. In 3.2, we learn the formula. It was Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where T stands for term, n stands for its number, like first number T1, second number T2, third number T3. So n stands for number. A is the T1, first term. Again n is the number and D is the difference which must be constant for the AP. then only we are calling the sequence as an AP if the difference, common difference between the consecutive terms remains constant. Then in 3.3 we learn that two formulas for summation. First one was Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, where S stands for summation, addition. N stands for number, again N for number, then A stands for the first term of AP, then again N for number, and D for difference, common difference, which must be constant for the AP, arithmetic progression. In 3.3, we learn another formula also, which was Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. So, that again S stands for summation, N stands for the number, N again for number, T1 is the first term of the given AP, and Tn is the last term of the given AP. Using these two formulas, we can find out sum of the terms of given AP. This formula we can write in this way also, that Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket A plus L. Because T1 means A means first term and Tn means L means last term. After that, in 3.4 we learn the word examples depending on these three formulas. Means if you are thinking properly, if you are observing properly the chapter, that whole chapter is depending on three formulas only. First one is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Second one is Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And third formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn, which is also written as Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket A plus L. This is all about the chapter arithmetic progression.